Hey guys, in this video, I will show you what to do if you lost access to Roblox Authenticator app. All right, let's begin. First, enter your Roblox password and press Next. You will see the two-step verification screen asking for the 6-digit code. If you no longer have access to your Authenticator app or device, click on Use another verification method. Then choose Backup Code. When you first enabled two-factor authentication, you receive backup codes. Find one of those codes, enter it, and verify. After logging in, you can turn off two-step verification and set it up again. If you do not have backup codes, click Need Help and select Contact Roblox Support. Enter your birthday, username, and email address. Choose the device you are using and select Lost Access to my two-step verification method. Briefly explain that you lost access to your Authenticator app and request account recovery. Submit the form and wait for support to respond. So that's basically how you can recover your account if you lost access to your Authenticator. And that's it for this video. Thanks.